Hi, this is Ning. Today I will talk about the structure of the OB topics / how to navigate the OB playlist. First, OB should be studied as the interactions between environment and people. When we study the behavior, we need to go over the individual level, the team level, and the organizational level. The topics of OB is organized in the sense that it starts from individual level where we talk about the individual difference, the motivations, and then we go to the team level where we talk about the team characteristics, the dynamics, and then we talk about the decision making, communication issues, as well as the leadership. Then we go to the organizational level. We talk about the organizational process including the culture, the structure, and the changes. This list is to help you better understand the structure of the OB topics, but sometimes it's not a clear cut. For instance, we can talk about motivation at a team context, or we can discuss the decision making at an individual level. I will start the rest of the OB list from an introduction to organizational behavior, such as the organizational behavior method, the challenges and opportunities. Then I will go into details for each of the topics. For individual differences, we will talk about the fitting issues such as the person-organizational fit, person-job fit, and then we will talk about the personality traits, including how to detect faking during a personality test in a selection context. Then we will talk about values, perceptions, and attitudes. For motivation, we will talk about classic theories from different perspectives, such as Maslow's hierarchy from the needs perspective, the equity theory from the process perspective, the reinforcement theory from the learning perspective, and the job characteristic theory from a more practical perspective. For teams, we will talk about the characteristics first, including the norms, the roles, the cohesion. Then we will talk about the dynamics such as the stages of developing a team. Then we will also discuss some current issues such as the virtual team. For decision making, we will talk about the decision making elements and consequences as well as the biases. For communication, we will talk about the communication types, channels, and processes, as well as managing conflict and negotiation. For leadership, we will talk about traditional approaches such as the trait theory. We'll also discuss the contemporary theory such as leader-member exchange, the transformational leadership, and the views of leadership such as the race, gender, and culture. We'll also discuss the power, influence, and political issues. For organizational process, we will talk about the organizational structure, the organizational culture, and organizational changes. Thanks for listening, and I hope this video helped you clarify the structure of the OB topics.